how to do your law of attraction affirmations without speaking a word. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. This is the channel for the law of attraction, for personal empowerment, and for taking your life to the next level. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon because we're putting up some premier videos that will have specific times with question and answers during the videos. And you're going to want to know about it. And the way to find out is to be subscribed and click the bell icon. So I'm going to talk to you today about something that I discovered many, many years ago. And it's a phenomenal technique. It's very easy. It's a way to be doing affirmations and sending out energy to the universe about your deepest desires all day long. So back a while ago, they used to, I don't have it anymore, but they used to have these thumb rings. And these thumb rings had a spinner on them. You could spin them. And usually they were made out of steel. They're not expensive, but they're kind of fun. You kind of do it all day long. All day long, you're spinning, spinning, spinning. So I got the idea. I said, if I could spend a night, several nights a week, spinning my spinner, just spinning my spinner, while I was doing my affirmations and visualizations, I would, as I say in NLP, I would anchor the action of that spinner to the affirmation, to the new belief, to the new idea. So I did that and I manifested like crazy. Well, then I stopped wearing the spinner. So I went out and got a crystal like this. And this is unbelievable. You have no idea all the cool things I've manifested in my life with this simple crystal. So all I do is I rub it like so. And I sit in my easy chair. I close my eyes in the evening. And I do my affirmations. And I recite my intentions. And it's usually only one thing that I'm focused on. It's something important to me. Could be a relationship, could be money, could be a new project, whatever it is. So take one thing, and you can get a crystal anywhere. I mean, they're easy to come by. It doesn't really even have to be a crystal. It can be a special stone. But anyway, that's what I do. I just rub that. And I'm doing my affirmations. Money comes to me easily and often. I love the energy of money. And I might do that for 20 minutes, a half hour. I'm kind of in a semi-trance, but I'm just rubbing my crystal. I will do that every night for a week. And then guess what? Throughout the day, when I'm working, I'm mentoring, I'm thinking about other things. I may be even riding in the car, though I'm not driving. I'll pull out my crystal and I'll just start rubbing it. I'm not saying anything. I'm not I may be thinking about something else. I may be focusing on something else, but my subconscious mind is doing these affirmations as I'm rubbing this crystal, or as I'm spinning my spinner, or as I'm rubbing my watch face. Whatever works for you. I like the crystal because it fits in your pocket and you just take it out and rub it. So if I'm sitting at my desk and I'm looking at things on the internet, or if I'm talking to somebody, I'm always rubbing this crystal. And what am I doing? I'm doing my own empowerment affirmations that I have programmed into the crystal or into the spinner ring. I've programmed through evening meditation, okay? And I don't have to do it forever. 7 days. Just do it 7 days for about 20 minutes each evening. And this will be programmed to help you manifest what you desire, even when you're not thinking about it. It's a wonderful technique. I absolutely love it. Please give it a try. Like I said, you can do your ring. Some people, I know they twist their ring like this. I don't like this as well. I don't like this as well because it makes both of my hands inactive. So I like just the crystal or just the spinner ring. I don't have one to show you, but you get the idea. Okay, it's a simple technique. It works. Empower it first. That's the key. And do that for 7 nights. And then what I like about this, high flyers, listen to me. This allows the energy to flow. So you're not consciously thinking about what you desire all the time and choking the energy. This allows you to do the work and allow your subconscious to freely do it while you're focusing on something else. Talk about multitasking. It's incredible, and I promise you, I love it. It works. Do it. Okay? Share the results down below. Thank you so much for tuning in and for sharing and for subscribing. We'll talk to you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.